I gotta be careful out here when you disturb all this grassy area. You stir up snakes, and also there are skunks out here, and that nobody wants to get wrapped up in. I think these are Valencia oranges, and we just don't have enough time because they gotta leave tomorrow to do more groves. Well, I'm sure they can get the other some groves, but not all of them are going to get done. And then we got to come out here and cut these vines and then pull them out. We can't pull them off the tree because it'll tear up the tree. We'll just let them die on the tree. One of them's like really got some kind of latex or something in it that just makes everything just a miserable time. So we have our other partner in crime, Mr. Jebediah, and he's on JD right now. I don't mean to make you motion sick, but it's hard walking in this grass, I'll tell you that. It's thick, lumpy, but Mr. Jebediah is over here somewhere. Talking to himself, that was interesting. And let me give you a heads up. I got the Camry back, and I am going to let Tony take my truck, and he can get it fixed, or he's going to fix it himself. It's got a strut, or yeah, something's wrong with it. Tires are too small. I mean, too big on the truck. The gas mileage is horrendous. And I need the truck because we're doing construction, but it's too bouncy, and it's hard for me to drive it because it kicks me around pretty hard, and it messes with the nerves in my back. So let's get up here. Okay. If you're wondering what that tree is back there, that is a Chinese flame tree, and it is in full bloom, and today's date is November 2nd, 2018. There's my truck, Silver Bullet, with the U-dump and the tractor implement. Then we got Tony's truck, and then there's the Camry with the Captain Happy Pants in there. But something's wrong with my little buddy. Since I got him back from the vet, his personality has changed, and he's losing a lot of weight, and I'm really concerned about him. I know the Camry's trashed, but I can drive it. I just got to get the seats fixed from when I had the Greyhound, plus it's just dry rotted. Things get old. Everything has an expiration date. But I think they're coming in and getting ready to go to the other grove. We can't get all three of them today, and they're leaving tomorrow. And we just had too many other things that needed to get done before these groves. No, Toby, come here. Good boy. So I just wanted to come out here and get some video of them doing this. Toby, sorry. And this is the stuff that Tony really likes to do. He's my best friend, and Jebediah's almost in #1 place too, but well, I know the wind is kicking up and it's bad on the microphone, but I just thought I'd share. I should have brought my GoPro, but I didn't think about it. So that's it. There's your video of you on the tractor, both of you.